Russian cargo ship docks with space station. An unmanned Russian cargo capsule has docked with the International Space Station, bringing more than 2 tons of supplies to the 3-person crew. The Progress spacecraft docked at 0512 GMT Saturday, about 3.5 hours after blasting off from Russia's Baikonur launch complex in Kazakhstan. The ship carried fuel, water, food, medicine and other supplies. There are 3 astronauts aboard the space station, Russia's Anatoly Ivanishin and Ivan Wagner, and Chris Cassidy of the United States. EU and UK fail to bridge gaps in Brexit talks. The United Kingdom and the European Union showed little sign of progress towards a deal on their post-Brexit relationship this week, failing to bridge differences over future competition and EU fishing access to British waters. The EU's chief negotiator Michel Barnier told a news conference on Friday that the UK had set a tight deadline by ruling out an extension to the Brexit transition period beyond the end of 2020. The United Kingdom cannot impose this very short calendar for negotiations and at the same time not progress on certain subjects that are important for the European Union, he said. The transition period could be extended by a year or 2, but the UK would have to request this by the end of June. There are only 2 further weeks of negotiating rounds scheduled before then, from May 11 and June 1. British soldiers to get insect repellent as COVID-19 protection. British armed forces are to be given insect repellent to protect them against COVID-19 infection, it has emerged. The Ministry of Defence confirmed on Friday that it plans to buy stocks of a product containing a lemon eucalyptus oil extract called citriodiol. But questions remain over its effectiveness, with British officials refusing to reveal any evidence it would work. After the news emerged, Public Health England confirmed the government's guidance does not include using any such substance to protect against COVID-19 infection. Similarly, the World Health Organization said there was no evidence the virus can be transmitted by mosquitoes and that an insect repellent would, therefore, be ineffective. The use of citriodiol to prevent infection does not form part of its advice. To protect yourself, clean your hands frequently with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water. Also, avoid close contact with anyone who is coughing and sneezing, it said. It is understood that officials are in the process of buying stocks and plan to issue them to members of the Army's 20,000-strong COVID support force. Germany's confirmed coronavirus cases rise by 2,337 to 150,383. Germany's confirmed coronavirus cases increased by 2,337 to 150,383. Data from the Robert Koch Institute (RKI) for infectious diseases showed on Friday a slight deceleration after 3 straight days of new infections accelerating. On Thursday, confirmed coronavirus cases had increased by 2,352. The reported death toll rose by 227 to 5,321, the tally showed on Friday. Russia's coronavirus case tally nears 70,000. Russia on Friday reported 5,849 new confirmed cases of the novel coronavirus, pushing its nationwide tally to 68,622. 60 people with the virus died overnight, pushing the death toll to 615, Russia's official crisis response center said.